Congratulations on completing your inspection process. The next step in this phase is to purchase your homeowner's insurance. So today I'm with Chase with American Family Insurance here to tell us a little bit more about what we should be looking for when we're shopping for insurance and some of the important things to consider.
All right, thank you, Laura. So obviously this is one of the biggest things that you're going to do in life, purchasing a home. And our job is to sit down with you and help make sure that if something goes wrong, that we've adequately protected the property. And of course, the big thing is you're purchasing it. We of course want to make sure that there's enough money to rebuild it. But some other things to consider during the process of inspection and while you're working with your insurance agent is to make sure that we've got updated information on the home. So that might include any updates that you plan on doing in the next year or anything that has happened previously, which can include has the roof been updated? Has the HVAC system been updated? If it's an older home, was there some point in time where plumbing or electrical has been updated? As we move forward, these things are impacting prices so much more. And what it really boils down to is a home that is maintained over a long period of time and doesn't have deferred maintenance, there's going to be less opportunity for a claim. So it's always just good to know what has happened during that purchase process, finding out what the inspection is telling you, and then we take that and figure out what coverage you need.
So that's really interesting. So you could actually maybe get a better rate or better, premiums or different if some of those major factors of the home have been updated over time. I don't know that a lot of that sometimes goes into consideration. A lot of times we're only thinking about, does the house have fire sprinklers or does it have, some of those like, common sense things. But that's really interesting to really to communicate some of the more things that you wouldn't think of, that if it has a new roof, that could be a big impact.
It's already happening during the inspection process, so it's just good to pick up on the process as early as possible. If you're financing the home, we want to be involved as early as possible. We're also going to be asking things when we think of discounts and pricing, things like you mentioned the fire sprinkler system, but also if you have any sort of monitored burglar or fire alarm, if we've got any of the smart home technology, Nest thermostat, water leak detection sensors, all of those preventative devices can help lower cost of insurance over time.
Fantastic.